Alright, you guys, someone brought him a package to see what he can do. This box is a little different, so I don't know. Uh-oh, he's getting in there. 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 Doing a good job, bro. Doing a good job. Get into the prize. Get into the prize. You opening it up. Get into the prize. Uh-oh, this is one of his favorite toys. Who the hell did this? Who the hell bought him this? This is one of his favorites. Open the box, bro. Pull it open. Pull it up. What? This is the dude's favorite toy. One of the favorites. Let's see who bought this. Hold on. Let's see who bought this. Enjoy your gift from Myra Larkin. Thank you, Myra. Much love to you. Appreciate that. How did you know this dude likes this? Look at this. Look at this shit. Oh man. So Myra, comment below after I post this video, okay? Comment below. That didn't make no sense, but comment below.